Hi, this is Arpit Nagaria from Tricentis. Today we are going to learn TBox automation tool TBox file compare. So by the name itself it compares two files. So it is present in your standard subset beneath TBox automation tool file operation. This is your module TBox file compare. So it compares the content of the two files. If the content of the two files is same, the test case would be passed. If your content of the two files is different, so it fails. So I will show you my files. So this is my two files. This is file 1 which contains welcome to Tricentis, and this is my second file which also contains welcome to Tricentis. So basically it compares the content of the two files. So I quickly move to Tosca. This is my test case. I quickly run this. So ideally it should pass. As you can see on my screen is my test case is passed. So basically file content would be compared. The log info is content of the file is identical, so the test case is passed. So this is how you can compare your two files with the help of TBox file compare module. Hope you liked the video. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Here at the Tricentis Academy, we aim to provide you with educational services that suit your needs, including role-based trainings where you can become certified specialists, video tutorials, MOOCs and more. To learn more about the Academy, visit www.tricentis.com/academy.